Assalamualaikum, I'm Nur ALISA BALQISH, S65475. We'll explain about my assignment. So the compound I choose is Tetrachlorocuprate. The structure is like this. And then I'm doing oxidation for the metal ion, which is we will put copper first. Then I have 4 chloro, which each chloro brings -1. So the -2 will be put in the other side. So the answer I have is copper brings 2 plus charge. So my ligand name will be chloro. Then how do I define my complex name? So I have 4 chlorine. In coordination compound will be called as chloro. So I have 4 will be called tetrachloro. And copper is for cation name. So I have an ion complex. So I will change it into cuprates. So I will have tetrachlorocuprate to negative ion. So how do we prepare this compound? So the name of process is crystallizations. We can mix it with solvent that have dichlorocopper and ionic chloride, or we can add organic cation, which is ethanol. So right now I want to determine the DN of my complex. So this is copper. We have 25 electrons. So I will arrange it first, solid or atom copper. So right now I have charge of 2 in this complex. So I need to remove 2 electrons. So right now I have D9 orbital. So right now we will be moving to microstate table. So how do I know my number of microstate? I will be using this formula to find n. So I have D9 as my orbital, so I will be do this calculation. So as a result, I have 10 microstate table. Okay, so this is how I arrange my microstate table. So we have 2 charge, negative and positive half. So I will put 5 positive half and 5 negative half for each electron. So this is how I arrange. So for the ml calculation, I will plus everything inside this column. So I have the value of my ml. Then I will make a proper table for my positive and negative charge of electron. Then I will be using this formula, which is L equal to 2 and 2s plus 1l. So as the result, I will be have 2d. So right now, we will be moved to transition of UVBs. So as we know, my complex have D9 orbital, so I don't actually require to do Tanabe-Sugano diagram to predict the absorption of spectra. So we can see here I'm making 2 diagram of splitting crystal field, and this is my changing electron from ground state to static state crystal field. Lastly, application from this complex is they usually being used in reaction as catalyst. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.